Good to see you again. So what are you keeping a watch on these days?
Nice line. Nice line. Well, I'm here for the Rado event. It's one of my favorite brands that I endorse, simply because I love the watches and always happy to do something for Rado. My association has been very, very fruitful and very comfortable, and it's nice.
So having the time of your life.
In always.
And true, and now we are looking forward to, I mean, the trailers are really promising of Kabil.
Thank you.
So we're looking forward to that. So do you think that is going to be the game changer in 2017?
I don't know, yeah. We'll find out. I'm happy with it. I'm very excited. Right now we are in the post-work of the film. And that is one of the most exciting times, because you see it all coming together, and and you can kind of assess whether it's going the right way or not.
Is it inspired by The Scent of a Woman?
No, it's not. No, it's not. Although I'm very inspired by Al Pacino, but the film is not inspired. It's an original.
So and also the big box office clash again. There were negotiations, or are you going head on with the clash?
I guess now it's head on. It's not the ideal situation, but it is how it is. And as long as there is, as long as there is communication and understanding between, the two parties, I don't think there is any need to kind of take sides or have any kind of a negativity to it. As long as we are able to do that, then of course it's content that wins. There's nothing one can do apart from do their best in their creative work, and then it's left to the audience.
And the best part is that Shah Rukh is a good friend of yours. It's not
yes,
like
of course,
two
yes.
rivals or anything,
No, we have both spoken, and we have both been very happy that about the fact that we are friends, and we can handle this in the right spirit.
So it's a double whammy for all of us on 26th January. I mean, we've got we are spoiled for choice. And then of course the big announcement was Krish for happening. So I mean, have you started work on that?
Krish work has been happening, I think, on and off for the past 6 months now. But yeah, it's going to be a long process. It's going to be a long process, simply because I mean, we really have to work hard and make sure that it's up there. The benchmark is like gone sky high.
Very high to live up to those expectations.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, I mean, let's do it. Let's try.
So what is the one superpower that you would want to possess?
To read minds.
Like your character in Kabil, can you read minds?
It's one thing to read other people's minds.
Yeah.
I think the character in Kabil is a kind of superhero because he at least can read his own mind. That itself it takes years and years of life and experience to read exactly what you're thinking. To actually ascertain what your thoughts are saying to you, and that is a superpower by itself, to be able to read your own mind, to know what you need and where you're going, and yeah.
Other than yourself, whose mind do you want to get into?
Whose mind? I actually don't want to get into anyone's mind. Getting into someone's mind is dangerous. As it is, we all live. As it is, we all live half in other people's minds, because we are constantly thinking of what they are thinking about us or about our work.
True.
So it's best to actually be desirous of owning your own mind first. That itself is a hard task. So I think we should all set our minds on that.
So I mean, your lucky charm Priyanka is going to be in Krish 4. I haven't decided upon the heroine.
Well, right now I think dude, I don't know right now. No, it's too much to to do first. Let's just build the script and then we'll see.
Oh, you're still building the script. Okay. And also, like Mohenjo-daro, I mean, were you a little disappointed that, I mean, it lived up to expectations, but not what you were expecting? Did that disappoint you as an actor, or do you just let it go?
No, I don't get disappointed by any of my failures of my films at the box office. I've never got disappointed. To be honest, you do your best, and if you are aware enough, then you get a sense, you get a feeling of where which direction is it heading towards? Is it going to be something that is, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
So I am a very thankfully, and this I think I know because looking back, I've realized I've never really got disappointed with any of my results.
True.
Because before they come out, I have a sensation in my heart, and I think we all do. We just tend not to trust it.
Of your fans have asked, so is there any truth that you're doing Race 3? What's after Kabil?
No,
Krish?
that's just a rumor. That's just a rumor.
What after Kabil and Krish?
After Kabil, well, Krish is not going to be made right after Kabil. Krish will still take 2 years in planning.
Long wait, guys.
Yeah, that's going to be a wait. But after Kabil, I have read a few scripts which I have liked. I can't name them,
Okay.
unfortunately, but in about, I think, a week or so, I think I will let the news out.
And also demonetization now, what's in it for us, the pros and cons?
Well,
From
who
somebody
am I-
from the industry.
Who am I to say pros and cons? I think that principally I agree with it. I think that it makes sense.
Yeah,
It makes sense in the
absolutely.
long run. What one needs to see now is the execution of it. I think that is where the buck stops. I think this is what the next few steps is going to be very, very important.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And your fans have asked me to ask you, Hrithik in Dhoom, Kaho Na Pyar Hai, Krish, Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara or Jodha Akbar, which is your favorite?
Oh wow! Can you say the list again?
In Dhoom, Kaho Na Pyar Hai, Krish, Zindagi Milegi Na Dobara or Jodha Akbar, which is that one character that's dearest to you?
Oh my God, that's difficult. Well, right now I'm in a more of a Dhoom 2 mood, so I'll go with Dhoom 2. They all are dear to me.
Ashutosh or Sanjay Leela? Your pick.
I would never choose between my directors, as I would never choose between my parents or my kids. My directors are my access points to growth. They are people I respect a lot, and I would never choose.
And they've asked best female co-star, Aishwarya, Katrina or PC, Priyanka.
You know, I would have to say Yami because I've had such a wonderful time working with her
Absolutely
in
diplomatic.
Kabul. No, I'm serious. She's actually I decided not to say anything about her because I want her work to speak for
So I'm looking
for
forward to
itself,
that.
and she's in. There I go again. Well, you should see her in the film.
And the next best thing in Bollywood, Ranbir or Varun?
Sorry, what next best thing?
Next best, Ranbir or
What do you
Varun?
mean next best thing? They are the best things. All three of them. They are the best. They are incredible. I get inspired by them.